Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. This is our 14th lecture of MS Word. I suggest to all students or the new students that you should to watch or listen the previous videos that I already have recorded and uploaded on the YouTube channel. In this lecture, we will discuss about the track changes and the comments. Track changes is very interesting and very important lecture. Many students doesn't know about this. Let's have the practice of this one in MS Word. This is a document, annual report. This is the text that I already have typed here as a sample, and this file is saved in this folder. Track changes, okay. And this commands are available in review tab. Review. This is the basically track changes area. Track changes mean one line. Track mean one line. A line is considered as the track. For example, one operator type the letter and he give to the other person, and he detects there some errors, some mistakes, and given to again to previous with the help of username password. But the second person doesn't know about how to work in that, how to work there. Let's start. Click on the restrict editing, edit restriction. There are two options: formatting restriction and edit restriction. You select this edit restrictions. There is option of track changes. You select this, and there is a button yes, start enforcing protection. Click here. It will ask the password. You can type any password here, for example 1 and say OK, and just close this area. Now I have assigned this assignment to second person who will do the changes in this file. Maybe he is not sitting with me. Just to close this file and send to that person. When he will open, I already have told him about the changes. He will do some changes, and that will highlight, that will give us the prominent situation. Just select design, make it bold. As you will click on the bold, you are fitting a vertical line at the beginning of the first line, because this line presents that there is something changes in this track, okay. And in this markup area, it shows formatted font bold, okay. I select pictures, italic, look, underline, selected, strike through, or italic. Just click here and it should be T capital. There should be comma in every line that is showing the vertical lines, because there is some changes in this track. Template, bold, document, italic, its size to increase, its change case in uppercase, and just save this. These were the final changes that the second person has done in that. These are basically showing the changes with the help of these markup areas. View, you are facing that accept reject option is disabled, and track change option is also disabled. If the operator wanted to stop this, just click on the restrict editing and he will press on the stop protection. It will ask you the password, but the second operator doesn't know about the password, so mean he cannot do that. For this, he will close the file, save, and then close. He will hand over file to the previous administrator. Administrator will open the file. He is watching the changes that he assigned to second person. He will go to the review tab, restrict editing, and will click on the stop protection. He was the main administrator who already have assigned the password. He again will type here 1. Now it's active. Your accept reject buttons are also active and tracking is also open. Just keep your cursor at the beginning of the document, click on the next. It will jump on the first next change that the operator has done there. That administrator feels that is it yes or no, then he will accept. After acceptation of first, the pointer will move at the next step. Reject, 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 accept, accept, accept. The comments document contains no comments or track changes. Okay. Now you will click on the drop down list and there is final. When you click on the final, it's your final document. This is same situation was with the comments. When you were filling the comments, just click here, new comment. You can watch here, creator, new comment, previous, show all, next, previous, delete, next, delete, next, delete, next, delete. Comments basically you are giving some points with the specific area or word or character. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.